For the Innovation Lab, basically this is the second year in a row that Emirates Macaroni participate with challenges, and we were, as said previously, very lucky that the previous year one of our candidates won the award. We hope for this year as well with the challenges that we chose, and one of them is the waste management, sustainability, that the two teams that we have, Aspire and Mastermind, that one of them could actually pick up the prize and win. The challenge is really interesting. It's a byproduct. It's basically using the waste coming out of the pasta, the regrinded pasta, and transform them and mix them with other materials. One is to become as a product for animal feed, and the other one is for fertilizer. Emirates Macaroni is happy to be part of the Innovation Lab, which is supported by the F&B Group and the Khalifa Fund. And this is a major initiative to develop and drive the youth of the UAE to go into the food sector. The amount of seriousness, to be quite honest, how they took this challenge, and you know, not every idea or every challenge you start from the beginning, and you just like reach till the end with the same direction. There are some deviations that they've took in order to fix the challenge and get it towards the end.
Actually, Emirates Macaroni Factory support started since the beginning, and by the beginning I mean the idea brainstorming. We would come up and talk with Mr. Sami about our ideas and what we are looking forward to do together, and that went out to be where we are now.
Coming to the nutritional test was one of the main challenges we faced because we need to know what the product itself contains. So though it took a lot of time, but we were able to come up with the right information of what all stuff the product contains, and by knowing that, we will be able to incorporate the other essential nutrients to our feeder.
Of course, this could not have been easier, or this could not have happened without the help of Emirates Macaroni Factory, thanks to the team who was always there in our back. They had a I can hold you and I'm there for you mentality, where they served us.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Sohail Ashraf. I'm a master's student in food science from UAE University. I came to know about this F&B innovation program from our college, from our professors and the university members. We joined the F&B innovation program to know more about the challenges and the manufacturers. We were teamed up, we met the other team members, Karima, Sheikha and Ali from the Innovation Ideathon Week. From there we grouped us together and we started doing the challenges together. And finally we were able to be selected for the Emirates Macaroni Challenge. So right from the beginning, when we came across the Emirates Macaroni Challenge, we were interested to participate for that since they were dealing with the waste management and how they could solve their pasta wastage in their company. So we came up with a suitable solution how we could come up with a new product which is sustainable and feasible.
I'm Karima Faidi. I'm a graduate student at UAE University. I'm taking my master's in food science. I got to know about F&B through university thanks to my doctors, and through there I only got to meet my team members, and we got to have an Aspire team. Personally, my interest in waste management and in sustainability, as well as poultry, of course, has sparked the interests of Emirates Macaroni Factory. Basically, the idea of getting the waste pasta meal and putting it in the feed production has been always an idea that triggered me, and with this collaboration, as well as my team having an interest in that, we got to work and produce a new feed where it's sustainable. It's part of it is from food wastage, as well as part of it has been locally produced, since the pasta in Emirates Macaroni Factory is locally produced.